Welcome to our channel. If you want to access free premium newsletters and trials, follow these step-by-step instructions to discover valuable content subscriptions. Step 1. Research premium newsletters and digital publications that offer free trial periods or introductory offers. Step 2. Visit the website of your chosen newsletter service and look for free trial, try premium, or subscribe buttons. Step 3. Click on the trial offer and enter your email address to begin the registration process. Step 4. Create an account by providing required information such as your name and password. Step 5. Some services may require payment information even for free trials. Enter your details, noting that you won't be charged during the trial. Step 6. Review the trial terms including duration, cancellation policy, and when billing begins if you don't cancel. Step 7. Confirm your subscription to activate your free trial immediately. Step 8. Access premium newsletter content through email or their website. Set a reminder to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to continue with a paid subscription. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.